What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDT to SUI in Phantom Wallet. So if you're looking for a way to swap your USDT to SUI, this one is going to be kind of complicated but also kind of easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to turn on the beta feature here, which in this case allows you to convert USDT to SUI. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and open a Phantom Wallet, and you want to go and access your account at the top left. And in here, you want to go and click on the gear icon at the top right. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go and scroll down a bit, and you want to look for the option here for active networks. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, look for SUI. So currently, it's still in beta phase. So in this case, some features may not still be working, or the network itself is not complete. But you could go and turn that on. And once you've done that, what we need to do is we just need to start the swap process. So go ahead and click on swap at the very top here or at the very bottom center. And from here, just provide the necessary details. So first is the UPay section. So we want to go and set this as USDT. So go and choose USDT here. And next, what we need to do is we want to go and click on the you receive section. Now you can go and choose the SUI network here. And you can go and choose SUI here if it's available at that moment. So as of right now, it's not available, but if it's available to you, you can go and just select that and proceed on swapping it by determining how much you want to basically swap here and just confirming a few things. But again, if this is not available to you, again, SUI is still in the beta phase. What we need to do is we want to go and use the Explore button instead. So at the bottom right of the screen, go and click on the Explore button or compass icon here. Now, at the very top, you want to go and click on slide tokens URL and just type in the following, which is going to be portal. Now, you should see the portal option as you can see right now on my screen. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, it should open up portalbridge.com. So this is a bridging platform that you could use to basically swap your USDT to SUI. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to select a few things. Go ahead and click on the chain here. So first, you could go and determine which chain you want to use for your USDT. So if you have USDT in the ETH chain, you can go and choose that and just type in USDT to look for it. Click on it. And from here, you could go and click on the to section and basically choose SUI. And basically, you want to go and search for SUI here. Click on SUI. Now, by the way, if you're swapping cross-chain here, the fees might be a lot bigger. So just keep that in mind. But once you've done that, you could go and click on connect at the bottom section and just choose Phantom Wallet to connect your Phantom Wallet. And from then on, just confirm a few things in order for you to proceed with the transaction. And also make sure you have enough funds when you're doing this. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.